This video will demonstrate how to identify from a list what numbers in that list are unique. So from here you can see we've got two number lists, number list 1, number list 2. So what I want to find out is from number list 2 is whether this value 10002 is located in number list 1, and the same for 10003 and all the other numbers in this particular list. Now to do that I'm going to be using the match function. So firstly I'm going to click onto cell D2, and to start the match function I'm going to type in equals match open brackets, and the match function is divided up into three arguments. The first one is the lookup value. So the lookup value is going to be in C4. Type in a comma to go to the next argument, which is the lookup array. So the lookup array is from number list 1. So I'm going to click and drag over those numbers. And what I want to do is to actually lock the lookup array argument in place, because as I'm going to be eventually copying this formula going down this particular column, I need to make sure the cell references do not change. So all I'm going to do is press the F4 key, and if you notice it puts dollars around the cell reference to lock it into position. Type in a comma, and from here I've got three options, and they rather depend on how number list 1 is ordered and what I'm actually looking for an exact match. So it's going to be 0, close brackets, press enter, and then I'm going to click on that particular cell and double click on the crosshairs, and that will automatically copy it down to the end of that particular list. So you can see from the top, for value 10002, you can see it's got the number 5. Now what does this actually mean? Well, it basically means that this particular lookup value is the 5th value found in this particular set of data selected. Value 10003 is the 6th value. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You might have noticed there are a series of NAs. So where there's an NA, that means that particular value, 10007, is not found in this list 1. In other words, this particular value is unique. And so that's true for the next 3 values as well. Now to make this slightly more usable, what you can do is insert a table for this block of data. So I'm going to click onto a particular cell, press Ctrl A to select that block of data, press Ctrl T from the keyboard, and you'll notice from here it automatically has selected the right area which you've just selected. It's correctly identified that my table has headers, and I'm going to click on OK. Now from here, if I click onto my filter button, click on select all, select NA, click on OK, and immediately you can see these values are unique. If I do the reverse, if I click on the filter button again, click on clear filter from unique, and this time click on the filter button, remove the NA, click on OK, and these values have been duplicated. So to extract one or other of these values, if I just go back and clear the filter and select the NA value again, select the numbers, right click and copy, and from here if I paste the data as a value into another area, so I'm going to click over here, right click, go to paste special, select values, and I'm choosing the values because I don't actually want to copy the formatting as well. Click on OK, and you can see my list of values. Now to make this slightly more usable, I can actually insert a table into the number list 1. So from here, if I click the filter and clear it, again select the data from number list 1, Control A, Control T, enter, and now when I add a value into number list 1, say for example 101, press enter, and now this value 101 can be referenced from this other table. So from here, if I click into number list 2, type in 101, press enter, and you can see immediately it's picked it up correctly. If I put another value which is unique values, not contained within number list 1, so for example say 102, and it immediately picks up it as a NA error.